Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your direct message option is not showing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Then go to your app store and just go to the search option, simply search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find just try to update your app, so after updating, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with the iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press on his volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to go to your settings app, go to channel, go to iPhone storage. Just look for a TikTok app here and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading and deleting. It will clear all the bug and the junk files from your TikTok app, so it will be fixed in your step. Or after that, you can go to your TikTok app, tap on the profile option at the bottom right, and here just tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, just scroll down and look for free of space option, and just clear cache from here. After clearing cache, go back, and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed issues, you just have to tap on profile option again, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, select health center from here, just scroll down and look for using TikTok. Just select using TikTok and just look for direct messages here. Select this, then tap on direct messages and just wait for the loading screen. Scroll down and just tap on need more help. And now you'll get in touch with TikTok support team. You just have to try to describe your issue here, and TikTok will help you to give you official fix of your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix your direct messages are not showing on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.